Are you ready for the next best low-budget camera in 2024? With its price starting around $799, it may pack up things like 10-bit 422, 4K oversampled footage up to 120p, as well as AI superpowers. We're obviously talking about the Sony ZV-E10 II. Now, Sony ZV lineup has been their most popular ever since its release. It packs up pro features, both photo and video, in tiny little bodies with tiny little prices. But with the Sony ZV-E10 II being released anytime soon, questions pop up. Will it live up to its predecessor, or is it just overhyped? Well, in this video we are going through all the rumors on the Sony ZV-E10 II and which of those I think that might actually make it to the spec sheet. So, if you're just as excited as I am to find out all about this camera, grab a drink, get cozy, and let's talk about cameras. Hi guys, my name is Tiago, hope you all doing well, and as I've just told you, Sony ZV lineup is their most popular, holding a tremendous amount of weight in their camera sales. So it makes all the sense that Sony provides continuity to its ZV models. But do keep in mind that even though the sources of these rumors have proven to be accurate in past occasions, I have no actual knowledge on Sony's future releases or its spec sheets. The information I'm about to pass on are mere rumors. That being said, let's check what we might be looking around here. The ZV-E10 is expected to feature a 26-megapixel BSI APS-C sensor, possibly the same as on the A6700, as well as a Biance XR processor with AI capabilities just like its bigger brother, the Sony ZV-E1. If true, this could grant the Sony ZV-E10 II impressive video capabilities. For example, stunning oversampled 4K footage up to 120 FPS, 10-bit 422 recording, AI-powered autofocus, 12-stop latitude, dynamic range, and it also means that we get rid of that awful jello effect when it comes to the rolling shutter performance. We are looking at full-width 4K footage reading out at a rate of 15.8 milliseconds, which is nearly twice as fast as its predecessor. So I'm guessing it's a pretty significant improvement. When it comes to video capabilities, I think we could be looking here at a smaller version of the Sony A6700, but the most accurate sources actually point to 4K 60 instead of 4K 120. We could also see things like focus breathing compensation, AI subject tracking, and auto reframing just like on the ZV-E1. Unfortunately, the most reliable sources also point out that it won't have in-body image stabilization, aka IBIS. However, we might be seeing some kind of digital stabilization just like we see on the ZV-E10 with, well, a slight or significant crop. The Sony ZV-E10 is expected to inherit the 759 face detection points, eye tracking, autofocus from the A6700 with 93% coverage, and we will most likely get the impressive AI-powered autofocus as well. Regarding the body, this camera will most likely maintain the heavy-F-less design seen on the original ZV-E10 and the ZV-E1. And of course, we get the incredible in-mount lens system. The ZV cameras are meant to be small devices with a simple, user-friendly interface, so we might not see any major upgrades when it comes to body and ergonomics on this camera. When it comes to the price, the rumors tell us to expect something around $799 for the body only, $899 if you want to get it with the usual 16 to 50mm kit lens. We might also get a creator combo that includes a shotgun mic and a wireless hand grip for around $1,199, and we could also get it with a 10 to 20mm lens for around $1,399. Now, the Sony ZV-E10 II is expected to be released before summer 2024. Some rumors actually pointed out to April or May, but the most recent information warned us about a delay, probably to August, because the brand might be waiting for the EU regulations on AI to come out first. I do think that the majority of the rumors we discussed here are pretty solid and may actually make it to the spec sheet, with the exception of the 4K 120, because you see, it's a small plastic camera, it will most likely overheat, and we're talking about 10-bit 422, so 4K 60 will already be enough of a challenge. And well, they need to cut costs somewhere. I don't know if they will actually enable the 10-bit 422 on the 4K 60 or 4K 120 because of the overheating issue. I don't know what Sony has on their minds, so expect some kind of weird settings around this 4K 60 or 120. And also, I don't think we get the in-body image stabilization either, because I mean, it's $799. Man, you gotta see it to believe it. It's a gift. I don't think any camera brand is making cameras this good for these kind of prices. So, if all the rumors are true, and we can exclude the 4K 120 and the in-body image stabilization, if all the others are true, man, big shout out to Sony, because it's easily the best bang for the buck camera in 2024. I don't know about you guys, but every time we get closer to a camera release that will be a possible game changer, I get very excited with the rumors and theories of what it might actually be. So leave it in the comments what you think on these rumors. Are they true? Will they lead to nowhere? And also, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful or funny, and without any further ado, I see you in the next one.